Lotanna's Geometry Show. Da-na-na.
Hello, and welcome to Lotanna's Geometry Show. Lotanna's my name, and geometry's my game. Let's get into the video. This is a polygon because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and angles. Corresponding angles are formed when two lines are crossed by another line called a transversal. The angles formed in matching corners are called corresponding angles. Parallel lines are lines in the same plane that do not intersect or touch at any point. These are intersecting lines because they meet at that point of intersection. Adjacent angles are angles that share a common vertex and a common side, but don't overlap. A hypotenuse is the side of a right triangle that's opposite the 90-degree angle. This is a circle. As you can see, a circle is a set of all lines in a plane that are the same distance from a given point, the center. Similar means having the same shape but a different size, like this big circle and this little circle. Congruent means exactly equal in size and shape. An isosceles triangle is a triangle with two or more equal sides.
These sides are equal.
An equilateral triangle is a triangle with all sides of equal length. A line segment is a part of a line that is bound by two distinct endpoints. This one and
You look like a hobbit.
complementary angles are angles that add up to 90 degrees. Supplementary angles are angles that add up to 180 degrees, like this one and this one. Area is the size of a surface, or how many unit squares make it up. Perimeter is the distance around a shape's edge. Vertical angles are angles opposite each other formed when two lines cross. This is a plane because it's a two-dimensional surface that extends infinitely in all directions. These are intersecting lines because they meet at that point of intersection. A radius is a line segment from a circle's center to its perimeter. The diameter of a circle is any line segment that passes the center of the circle whose endpoints lie on the circle. The altitude of a triangle is a line segment that goes to a vertex and is perpendicular to the line forming the base. Interior angles are any of 1, 2, 3, 4 angles formed when two parallel lines are crossed by a third line. An exterior angle is the angle between any side of a shape and a line extending from the next side. A reflection is a transformation in which a geometric figure is reflected across a line, creating a mirror image. Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers in which each number is the sum of the two preceding numbers. And this is a Fibonacci spiral. So the Fibonacci sequence goes like 1, and then 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 5, and then 8, and then 13, and that concludes today's episode of Lotanna's Geometry Show. See you hopefully never again, because this took a really long time.
Lotanna's Geometry Show.